Alright, so what is up, y'all? I just want to say thank you so much for watching my last video. I got the Vibe Seaghost 130. It's a nice 13-foot kayak made by Vibe. I really can't wait to get it out and just really use this thing. We're really going to get out there, catch some nice fish. I'm going to paddle out to this little island that's a little across the ways from the inlet that I usually go in. There's like a little flat that goes out there, and it's really nice, and low tide, you can really see all the flats and stuff. You'll see, man. I'm really excited to get out there. Let's get it. Alright, so what is up, everybody? I am so excited. Today is the first day I'm going out on the kayak. I got my life jacket here. Gonna throw this on right now. Yeah, man, we're finna get into the water. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, we getting out on the water for the first time. Let's get it. I'm a little bit nervous. I got one.
You got one? Hell yeah.
Haha!
Is it big?
I think so. Heck yeah, nice. Oh my god. Dude, this. He said nice. Guys, look at this freaking trout, dude. Oh my gosh. I felt him hit it. Alright, y'all, so he is at 15 inches, but I'm gonna throw him back. Revive them, guys. Got one, y'all. Oh, he's jumping. Nice bluefish, y'all. Nice bluefish. Alright, y'all. So I got a nice bluefish. Back. Oh, I lost them. No. I know who's ready. Are you ready to go, buddy? Alright, y'all. So I'm trying to revive him right now. There he is. He gone. Look at him. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at that, man. He knew he was alright. He was just playing. So guys, what they're killing today is the Miro lure. I don't know what Miro lure it is, but it's this one with the green tail. Throw this baby right here back out, man. I've been hitting all of them on this. Miro lure is killing it right now. Got one, y'all. Oh, big bluefish. Holy crap. Guys, look at this freaking bluefish. Yo, this thing's big. Yo, anybody watching on TikTok right now? Big bluefish. Strong bluefish, man. I see why these things fight so hard. Heck yeah. Alright. Let's get this thing released and throw him back. Another big bluefish, y'all. Another big one. Let's get it. Big bluefish. Anybody's on here? Ain't nobody on here. Oh well. Got my YouTube. Alright, y'all. I got a big bluefish on here. I'll let him calm down a little bit. big old bluefish right here. There you go. With the lure in his mouth. Yes, sir. They are killing these today, man. Alright, y'all. Let's throw this one back. I always got to get my graceful releases, you know what I'm saying? Gone. Alright, y'all. So this is my last mirror lure, artificial. They have tore them up today. I've been out here about 2 hours maybe, and they have tore up like at least 4 of them. So bluefish will kill these things, y'all. Alright, y'all. We got another bluefish. I'm telling y'all, man, these bluefish love these mirror lures, dude. If y'all want some bluefish, let my thing go, dog. Alright, y'all. We're gonna let this one go. Don't hit me now. Alright, y'all, let's get back. Bluefish. And there's some trout over there too. What?